October 28, 2017 by Vivian Park. Shares of Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited TPE 2850 closed at 26.35 yesterday. Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited currently has a total float of 315.96 M shares and on average sees shares exchange hands each day. The stock now has a 52-week low of 23.45 and high of 27.45. TWSE giving Taiwan a global identity. Taiwan is one of the fastest-growing countries in Asia in terms of economic prospects. Its trade and commerce industry plays an important role in the continuous success of the broader Asian trade and commerce environment. Active trades is one of the main subject of Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited interest there. The country's compelling corporate governance is what makes Asia the great region that it is today. The Taiwan Stock Exchange TWSE is the primary stock exchange in Taiwan that was founded on October 23, 1961. However, the official operations did not begin until February 9, 1962. The TWSE is owned by the TWSE Corp. And is regulated under the country's Financial Supervisory Commission. As of December 31, 2013, there are more than 800 companies listed on the TWSE, bringing its overall market capitalization to $24.52 million. And Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited is one of them. The TWSE is composed of various sectors, but the technology industry appears to be thriving the most. Taiwan is home to some of the biggest electronics contract manufacturers worldwide, such as the Hun High Precision Industry and Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing TSMC. Pre-market trading on the TWSE begins at 7:40 a.m. and lasts for an hour, ending at 8:40 a.m. It is then followed by regular trading that begins at 9:00 a.m. and lasts for 4 hours and 45 minutes, ending at 1:45 p.m. Lastly, post-market trading begins at 2:00 p.m. and lasts for an hour, ending at 3:00 p.m. The index, the Taiwan Capitalization Weighted Stock Index TAIEX, is the benchmark index in Taiwan. It tracks all the stocks listed on the TWSE with the exception of full delivery stocks, preferred stocks, and those that have not been listed for at least one calendar month. Consequently, the TAIEX is a strong indicator of the health of the Taiwanese economy. While the TAIEX had first been published in 1967, its base value of 100 points has a base date of 1966. The TAIEX has an all-time high of 10,202.20 points, which was last seen in 2000. The surge during that time was primarily driven by the gradual recovery of the Taiwanese economy after suffering from a significant meltdown caused by the earthquake that had hit Taiwan in 1999. On the other hand, its all-time low of 3,446.26 points was last seen in 2001. The TAIEX had dipped to that level a month after the terrorist attacks in the U.S., a tragedy commonly known as 9/11. The bombing of the Twin Towers had led to a widespread panic among investors that rippled all over the world. As for Taiwan, its export industry had largely been affected. Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited did not spread the panic. Asia is widely expected to make up roughly 26% of the global financial wealth by 2019. With Taiwan carrying out its own growth potentials, it is one of the biggest contributors to this prospective feat. This is why the TWSE is one of the most interesting equity markets today. Investments will surely lead to valuable returns, an important consideration for short-term and long-term investors alike. More news for Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited TPE 2850 were recently published by MarketWatch.com, which released 9.50 on March 2, 2011. BusinessWire.com's article titled Research and Markets Non-Life Insurance in Taiwan, Key Trends. And published on January 16, 2014 is yet another important article. Shinkong Insurance Co. Limited is principally engaged in the provision of property insurance services. The company has market cap of $8.33 billion. The firm operates its businesses through fire insurance, including housing fire insurance, housing earthquake insurance, commercial fire insurance, commercial earthquake insurance and others, transportation insurance, including cargo insurance, ship insurance, aviation insurance and others, automobile insurance, including automobile damages liability insurance and other insurances, engineering insurance, including boiler insurance, machine insurance, electronic equipment insurance and others, as well as liability insurance, accident insurance and health insurance services. It has a 7.84 P/E ratio. Receive news ratings via email. Enter your email address below to receive a concise daily summary of the latest news and analysts' ratings with our daily email newsletter.